In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password of your eBay account. Regularly updating your password is a great habit to protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure your personal information remains safe. Whether you've forgotten your password, noticed a suspicious activity, or simply want to improve your account security, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. First, log into your eBay account by going to the eBay homepage and clicking the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to have your phone nearby to complete the verification. Once you're logged in, hover over your name or profile icon in the top left corner to open a drop-down menu. Then select Account Settings. This page allows you to manage all aspects of your account, including personal details, preferences, and security settings. Next, navigate to the Sign In and Security section. Here, you can manage your login credentials and strengthen your account protection. Under the Password category, click Edit to begin changing your password. When creating a new password, make sure it's something memorable for you but hard for others to guess. So include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols to maximize security. Re-enter the password to confirm it and click Save. Your new password will take effect immediately. For added security, log out of any other devices where you're signed in. It's important to remember not to share your password with anyone, avoid using the same password across multiple accounts, and consider using a password manager to safely store your credentials. Periodically updating your password is one of the best ways to maintain a secure eBay account and protect yourself from potential unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your eBay account password. Regularly updating your login information keeps your account safe and ensures a smooth, secure shopping and selling experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tutorials to help you get the most out of your eBay account. Happy eBaying!